for me to head over to the car wash now to clean off the STI because I'm going to be doing a review on the Shine Armor Graphene Ceramic Spray. I'll get into the details on how to use it when I get back from the car wash, but let's go get rid of this so I can talk to you guys about this. Alright guys, so before I apply this to the car and before I even wash it, I just want to hit on a couple key points. So this is going to help with protecting the paint a bunch of all different types of stuff, including bugs, dust, sap, scratches. It's going to add a bunch of more depth to the actual paint surface. So once I show you guys when I am applying it, what it does with the paint, you guys are going to really appreciate how much this does help with making the car look like it is one of a kind. I know when you hear ceramic coating, you instantly panic because ceramic coating is not an easy process, but that's why I'm here to show you that the directions on back of this bottle literally take 5 minutes a panel. It is a quick spray on, let it dry for 1 to 2 minutes, wipe off, and that is your ceramic coating. So it's not, you know, it's not 100% a 5-year ceramic coating. It is more of just a base spray, but it will last in between car washes. You could probably even get a month out of it, but this stuff is fantastic, and please do not be scared to use it because I'm going to show you guys how easy it is, and I'm going to show you how much of a change it really does affect. And this bottle is awesome. It even comes with an on and off safety spray. You can adjust the nozzle. It comes with 2 rags if you buy the package, but let's get into how it works. Obviously this is not part of the process, but I'm going to be using masking tape right down the center of my hood so I can show you the difference between it applied and not applied. And I'll also be letting this sit for a couple days afterwards so I can really show you the difference between the protection layer that it does offer. So if you read the back of the bottle, it has their directions or their features list right here and their use feature right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to open one of your microfibers, you're going to spray it directly into the rag, you're going to wipe it down on the entire surface, and at that point you're going to let it dry for about 2 minutes. And that's when you come in with your non-sprayed microfiber rag, buff it off until it comes to a high shine, and then before you go and dry this in the rain and stuff, let it cure for about 4 hours, and that's going to get you the most use out of this product. That's the easy application process. I have to use a little bit more than I want because it is fairly breezy out right now, so the product is spraying all over the place. I might just apply a nice little bit more onto this front part where the bugs, dust, sap, all that stuff really hits when you're driving down the road. I'm now going to let this sit for about 2 minutes or so, which by the time I finish with the bumper, I'm sure the hood is already at that 2 minute mark, but I'm just going to finish with the 2 minute period, come back over it with my dry microfiber, buff all this out to a real nice high shine, and I'll show you the difference just by this bottle bottom, how much of a difference and effect it makes. I'm going to switch the car around, park it in the sun, and you guys will be able to experience the same idea. I've let this sit for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to come in here and use some pretty good elbow grease, buff all the material off the top of the surface, give it nice good wipe down. Listen, I don't blame you guys when we are talking about ceramic coatings or ceramic sprays. They can be very time consuming and they can be very scary, especially when you've never done it before and you don't know what you're working with. But that's why I'm going to tell you that Shine Armor, their product is fantastic. I highly recommend it. Go check it out on their website, just shinearmor.com. So let me show you the difference that just this little bottle can make. We got this side, you know. We got this side. That is all you need to know about Shine Armor. Go check them out. Okay guys, so it has been a couple days later, so I just wanted to show you guys what the difference between the product and the non-product can do when it comes to water hydrophobia. So just kind of piles on there, doesn't really drain off too well. Got this side, it all beads right off, straight onto the ground. Might be hard to tell because this is white on white surface, but one of the cool things I do want to tell you guys is if you click the link in my bio and buy product, or go to shinearmor.com and use my code JBlair20, you will get 20% off your purchase. So go check out their products and let me know what you guys think.